Sometimes, the best moments of our lives are the unpredicted ones, the small surprises, or the everyday experiences. They're the happy accidents that change our lives. We won't always have the time to take out our phone to record these fleeting moments of happiness. Wouldn't it be great to capture and keep these memories instead of simply watching them pass by? This is what we invented, the MochaCam Snap. Snap is the world's smallest 4K camera, and unlike any current action camera, Snap is small enough to wear comfortably, and its elegant design is a fit with any fashion statement. The innovative 180-degree flip lens allows you to shoot from the best angles and enables so many creative possibilities. It may not always be easy to find the button when you wear a camera, but with Snap, you can turn it on and start filming with just a click of the remote. The Snap battery life allows for 1.5 hours of continuous video recording, which is impressive for a camera of its tiny size. What's more, the video can be uploaded to the cloud via the Wi-Fi connection, so you can share the story of your life with friends and family anywhere immediately. With the magnet, clip, 1/4-inch adapter, or waterproof case, you'll have numerous ways to wear it and explore. And with 4K image quality, those precious moments of life are yours to remember forever. This is our 4th crowdfunding campaign. From the development and launch of our MochaCam, Mocha 360, and Alpha products, we've learned how to turn good design into reliable and durable products quickly and efficiently. Memory can be blurry, notes can be lost, but recorded images tell the true stories of our lives. Capture the best moments of your life with Snap. Upload them to the cloud and keep them forever.